see, I see the grip. I'm still working real hard on a Saturday.
Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? I've had a crappy night. I have the worst flu. I hate flus. I hardly get flus. I have a flu and I don't like taking medications, so I just took this. I don't even know. I'm having my cup of lemon. It's very hot. I don't think you can see the heat from here. And I also have this issue whereby I don't go to toilets very often, so I can say this particular episode now I have gone about a month without really going to toilet, and the thing is it's disturbing me really. So I had to take suppositories. I put in suppositories last night, and I was going to toilet and screaming like so I was able to go to toilet yesterday. Imagine like a whole backlog of, it was crazy. I've put in another dosage this morning. I'm trying to get my cold down with this. Like, I'm just a total mess. See my hair? I've been losing it for the past 2 days. I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you're doing okay. I'll see you.
Don't start that.
Wait a minute. Oh, you didn't hang out as a junkyard?
Yeah. Oh, Jerry here's the owner. They let me hold statue.
Two flavors?
No.
Oh, that's fair.
There is been.
What flavor do you get?
I'm not getting one. Gotta stay. How you doing, Louie?
I'm Finger.
Really?
Well, I had one before, but I didn't like it.
Oh, what God?
Candy phone, just look at
This is where both people can see. Give me back my phone. Guys, I just finished losing my hair. Like, see. So I'll wash it and bring it all back so that my scalp can rest a bit. I'm watching this very interesting movie. It's called Forgotten. The movie is so interesting. It's called Forgotten. It's so interesting, like very interesting. So I want to give a little bit of spoilers. Is how somebody can actually repress stressful memories. Like, it's really interesting. It's a Korean movie or Chinese movie. Nana, say hello. Hello. Say bye. Bye. Guys, look at my mane. Like, so I'm about to wash it.
Mommy,
Yes,
come see me.
I'm coming. I'm about to wash it now. And that is gonna be like a whole lot of work. I'm trying to, I know that this will take me roughly, I think about 2 hours. So once I do, I'll call it a night. Good morning, guys. Good morning from me and my nana. Yesterday, see my hair. Sorry, I was able to wash and section it. I did conditioning as well. So I'll be making it. I'll just moisturize it today, and I'll be making it into cornrows so that I can put a wig on it when I'm going out. What are you wearing this morning? What are you wearing this morning? Happiness once again, and I'm just chilling. Nana, take. Okay, guys, I'm back again. It's your girl Rose. So I just got back from the market. I went to get my baby has turned 6 months, so I need to put her on another source of I need to put her on another meal apart from breast milk, and I normally start with our akamu or pap. So I've not had a bath this morning. I just gave her a bath and rushed to the market to get the things for the pap. So I will soak them. Maybe in about 3 days or thereabout it will be ready for processing, like blending and all that. Rain beat me a little bit. It has started raining. So that's that. I'll see you when I see you.
Let me do it for you. Let me do it for you. No, I can do it for you. I want to do it for you.
Yeah, let her do for you. You not do for her. We do for each other. It's so beautiful. Who wants me to make her a cat?
Me.
See my game, see meow.
Meow. Look together. Meow. Meow. My eyes does look like a cat.
It does look like a cat.
Mama.
Oh yeah, Joko, come and do your own.
Mommy.
They're always playing in my makeup box.
Lip gloss.
I did not put lip gloss.
Yeah.
It's not on the whole face, Joko, mom.
And you forgot these things. But you forgot it, but you forgot. Mommy.
This thing make people sneeze. You say, achoo. Gimsy, what are you doing?
I have to put lip gloss.
Is it my lip gloss?
No. But I can't remember. Let me
Give me, drop that thing. I should do the eye like this. Give me, if you spoil that thing, you will not like me because I've told you many times. Aya, say meow to the camera.
Meow.
That's our kitty cat. Let me see your face. Say meow. Meow. Joke. You see what do you want?
To put lip gloss. You know put lip gloss.
There's no lip gloss now. Which kind of cat is this one? Cat, so you come and put lip gloss.
This is how those girls where they're selling akara and awara. Mommy, you know us finish.
Shift.
Shouldn't cow where I did.
Next cat on the line.
Ilana, I feel to really give me.
You
She
said
said,
they
Mommy
always-
said you should brush my lips. Should do that.
That's how they always play with my makeup.
Paint my nail after sleep.
I should paint your nails.
Yes.
Why should I paint your nails? See your camera. Say hello to Auntie Blessing.
Hello. Meow.
Let me see rats. Yeah, say hello to Auntie Blessing.
Hello. Meow.
Thank you, my princess. You give me your naughty, mega naughty girl.
No.
You are beating your mom. Girl, you're so rude.
Mama, I'm sorry for beating you. The nail so beautiful, so everybody will see.
Everybody will see it and say what?
One.
And what?
I don't want to let me see how cocky you
I
want.
don't understand. Film me. So next we're about to make my hair so that I can look a little bit presentable.
Yeah, just spread that out there.
I'll hold that one.
Smarty pants. Is this cream that
You never bring her, she don't feel.
she still wants to sleep? It's like that. Wake up, wake up.
You can call me an emergency anytime, day or night. The second one's a mobile number.
Turn them over to the FBI. Testify against my colleague. That night in the Caymans with your telephone.
You were on the beach. Just give me the kiss.
I couldn't stand.
What do you do?
I remember.
Why do you do that?
So I think you put that back to me. Even me, I think.
Yes.
But I think it's because
It look like that happened.
I'm trying to dry this with my air fryer so that I can blend it and use it as sweetener for my baby's pap. So guys, this is the corn. We've soaked it. This is corn, guinea corn, and guinea corn and millet, masara. dawa and yero. Okay, so we're soaking it. Today is day 1. We changed the water. We changed the water this morning. Sorry. Then point it in. Then these are the. Let me reduce. This one is not too bright. These are the dates we have dried already. It's dry. We're going to use a dry blender and blend it out. We'll use it as sweeteners. Just save it in a bottle and use as sweeteners. And this one is still drying out. Damian grrr, okay, and grrr, okay. Damian to ta ta to ta to kata 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 kata. This one, she doesn't stay in one place. She's always on the go. Happiness on camera. Happiness like camera pass me. What did I say? And what? I don't like it. People are getting addicted to phones. See that one on that tablet she's using now. I'm supposed to use that tablet. I actually need it, or it should be charging so that I will use it later. But I sacrificed the tablet for people. You're asking for my phone is 7%, and you know what NEPA is doing with lights. I don't know what guys. How is light in your area? We don't have light too. I don't know what NEPA is. I don't know what we did to NEPA. No light. Today, see me panicking because I had not uploaded. I didn't have any backlog of schedule shots. I was panicking, eh? Let me rest my head small. Hi guys, how is the day going? How are you doing? Today is what? Today is Tuesday, right? Yeah. And we're just trying to get my braids out. I'm so tired. I have a bad ache because I have cold. So this is the clan. Say hello.
Hello.
Mama, say hello. Say hello. Tantrum queen. So anyway, I just thought to drop this here. I'll see you guys as the video goes along. Have a lovely day.
What's the
Boo-boo.